This look like a black pants. This look like it can be on Sunday.
Yeah.
But Sunday pants is to go up on the road tomorrow.
No, man,
Black pants and black shirt, they on Portmore tomorrow.
I know that me feel say for wear tomorrow. Go and look.
Yeah, I lie.
Pull it. You can't pull, man. Alright, take them out. See your favorite there. Look at what that's in your bag.
What is?
Your favorite.
Beef? I lie. I'm there some well want some beef in the man. And socks?
Yeah?
Yeah. And what them a bar soap? Yeah.
Yeah.
And cologne? Yeah.
That's a deodorant, man.
Dude, can rub on the arm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you pack up over the side, the rest of things in the other side, yeah?
More thing than that?
What you mean, Reggie? Remember your star?
No.
Remember your star? Unzip the zip over your star now. See the zip right here. See the zip right here, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
All right, that's
Yeah.
I lie, that's a gun. Yellow pants. Some can beat me yellow pants on the Sunday with my white top.
Definitely the yellow pants will be tomorrow. So Sunday.
Got them clocks on my clocks.
Look for them good. Look for them.
I lie. That one of a beat on Wednesday. That one of a beat on Saturday. That one of a beat on Sunday. Wicked.
Alright, take them over. Let me tell you who send them now.
Who
No what? We don't even have nothing to say. Just leave in the comments.